And today I'm gonna be cooking the chicken and gizzard today. This is chicken and gizzard, and this is cassava. I'm gonna boil the cassava, and this is onions, 2 big onions. Okay, this is the chicken and gizzard. So I'm gonna be cooking the chicken gizzard today and cassava. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So we're gonna start. I already cleaned the kitchen gizzard and cut it in pieces, like small pieces like this. And this is the cassava. So the cassava is clean already, wash it and cut it. I'm gonna boil the cassava. And this is the onions. And I'm gonna show you guys the season too, okay? The season I'm gonna use to cook the kitchen chicken gizzard, okay? So those the season I need to cook. This is chicken season. I love this season. This is very good. And this is my black pepper. And this is my Maggi season. And my salt and garlic season, okay? I'm gonna season my chicken with those season, but I'm gonna season it very light, okay? Not too much, very light, because you don't need to over season your food. If you over season your food gonna be too salty, okay? I'm gonna season it. You see, very light. Because I'm gonna boil it anyway, so when you put more water on it, that will remove some of that salt on it. And this is the pepper. This pepper, you see how this pepper comes, so you need to use your 2 hands to do it. So I cannot use my 1 hand. So I'm gonna put the pepper and mix it, and after I'm gonna put the pot and start boiling the chicken gizzard and cassava, okay? So I just add the water to the pots to cook to boil the cassava, and this the other pot for the I'm gonna add oil. So I just wash the pot, so I'm gonna wait till this water dry and I'm gonna add the oil to it. So now I'm gonna add the cassava to the oil. This is the cassava, to the water. So this is the cassava. You're gonna add the cassava, you see. I'm adding the cassava to the water and cover it and add some salt to it, okay? You're gonna add some salt to it to boil it. So I'm gonna add the oil to it now. Okay, I already add the cassava, so you're gonna add some salt to it, okay? You're gonna add some salt to the water and you're gonna cover the pot. And this is the chicken gizzard. The oil is hot, so it's time to add the kitchen gizzard to it. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna mix it and cover it. I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes, and after I'm going to add some water to it, because you need to boil it too, because it's very hot. If you don't boil it, you cannot eat it. Chicken gizzard is very hot. You always need to boil your chicken gizzard before frying it, okay? Always do that. Okay, after 10 minutes or 5 minutes, you can open it and mix it one more time like this, okay? You see? And now it's time to add the water to it. So this is water. I'm gonna add the water to it. You need to make sure you boil it very good, because everybody know kitchen gizzard is very hard. If you don't boil it very good, you will not eat like the way you want it. So now I'm gonna cover it to the water. This water I put, this can cook to it finish. So I'm gonna cover it for 20 minutes to 30 minutes, okay?